Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. Matt Popovich here. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough, or I guess a ride through, of the Pine Island Audubon Center Nature Trail. It is a 4.4 mile out and back trail. That means it's 2.2 miles out and an additional 2.2 miles back. It is open to walkers, runners, and bicyclists. And it has two scenic overlooks that overlook the Currituck Sound. Right now I'm biking to the entrance, which is right off of Highway 12, and we can get it going. If you stay until the end, maybe I'll show you some footage from above. So let's go. The Pine Island Nature Trail is located off of Audubon Drive. At the entrance of the trail is the Pine Island Racket and Fitness Center. There they have a fitness center, indoor and outdoor tennis courts, and they're also open to the public. When I first pulled up to the entrance, I was a bit confused because it looked like it was closed. Turns out the parking lot is closed for cars, but the nature trail is still open. Do note that it's about a half-mile walk from here to the beginning of the nature trail. Parking availability is from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday, but they close a little bit earlier at 5 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. This is as of May 15th, 2021. And that's the Pine Island Audubon Trail. As promised, here's some footage from above. A future video that I'm working on is various shots that I took during a week of vacation right near this area in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. It'll contain everything from sunrise to sunset. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next video.